How's it going? So, we are all kitted up, ready to go for an evening ride. The Kinesis Rise Pro. This is the L2 size. It was shipped with tubes, and I've recently done a conversion on it to go tubeless. Using muck-off valves, some stands no tube sealant, the hydroformed aluminium frame. It's 29-inch wheels, Shimano SLX group set, 4-pot pistons front and back, 180mm discs front and back, and it's running the Fazua system. So we've got 250 watt hour battery, motor unit as part of the drive pack, and then a bottom bracket. And the interesting thing with this system is it's got a clutch in there which basically disengages the motor, so if you do run out of battery, you're not actually pedalling against the motor. RockShox 35 gold, 130mm shock up front. We got a dropper post, which is pretty cool. First time I've had a dropper post. Comes in really useful. Constantly adjusting it while I'm riding. It's a 1x12 setup. And then there's not really much to it. What things have I changed on this since I got it? So I went tubeless, as I mentioned already. I cut the bars down from 800mm to 760, I think I cut them down to. Changed from the DMR Def grips to some Ergon ones. Much prefer these. Oh, this is an additional thing. Rapid Racing Products bolt-on mudguard. So this actually has an M4 bolt that actually bolts it to the fork brace instead of zip ties and stuff. Pretty good, really stable. Quite like it. So what we're going to do is go on a fairly longish ride, probably 40-50 kilometers, and probably just do the usual route. I normally do it on this thing, which is a Superior ERX, slightly different kind of bike, more of a gravel bike really, skinnier tyres, still 29-inch, running a Shimano 5000 system, so it's quite low power. Normally runs with a 418 watt hour battery, which easily lets me do 50 kilometers with lots of battery left. So it'd be interesting to see what this thing can do. So I think I'm gonna start my ride. To start off by hitting a few gravel tracks, and then I'm gonna head up a very steep hill, and I'll probably join you then. Mud. Squelchy, squelchy. side. Seven kilometers in. Full battery still. Roots. Mud. Splashy, splashy. Drayton Lane, all the way up to the top of the hill. I'm in eco mode. I think I'm gonna have to go up a notch soon. It's bloody hard work getting up here. Jesus, 20% down already. How far are we? 11 kilometers. Kilometers, 80% battery. What are you up to? The sun is setting and I'm in the middle of nowhere. 80% battery and we are 18 kilometers out, 1 hour in. Better make the most of this downhill. Saves a bit of battery as well. Oh, here comes some water. Oh. Lucky I've got my waterproof socks on. Right, so here is the beginning of the climb up the hill, and it's gonna hurt. So we've got 3 green LEDs left, which means we've got 60% battery, and we've been going for 1 hour 8 minutes, and we're on 21 kilometers. So range is not so impressive with this thing, but we shall see. Let me get up this first. Doesn't look too bad now. I'm in river mode, and I'm in the second to lowest gear, and I'm really struggling. I think I might have to crank it up to rocket mode.
to finish this off. There we go. Oh, what a relief. Just keep that cadence going. I'll make it. God, this is hard work. I don't know how many feet this is, but it's high enough for me. Drop down a gear, let's get up there. It only gives back what you put in. Low assist, lights off. Let's chill here for a minute. Just make sure there's no cars coming. And then drop in. Trying to seat post down for this one. And that's that. Steaming up. No pedalling required. There's a train coming. Oh, I might have to stop for traffic. Barry boys are in. Right, it's time to go back on the trail, but in reverse and in the dark. So hopefully no one's coming the other way. Oh. See. Pretty boring trail. Little jump here. Wait. Don't want to be going off the edge here. Straight down into the water. Used to do this on a rigid bike. So much better with some suspension. And that's it. that's the Lido done. So still 60%, 27 kilometers. Let's keep riding around and see what happens. Here we go. I think I'm gonna need some more light for this one. So where we're at, 31 kilometers, 60%. Keep going. Beasting it up in the dark. Down to 40% now.